Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI NOVA 9 SE. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to HUAWEI wallet. In the beginning, let's enter HUAWEI wallet, of course, and select from the home section loyalty card, coupons or gift card. Firstly, let's enter loyalty card and select add new. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually, like card number, company name. You can enter your name and expiration date. Then simply tap done. Next, let's go to coupons, select add new, and same like in loyalty card, enter company name, coupon, expiration date, coupon number and source. Now let's go to gift cards, add new, and again enter card number, company name, name and expiration date. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.